Whatever you have done, that means you have not completed. That means you have not completed.
Mom, I didn't get the 14th one in there.
14th one itself you didn't get.
No, Mom, I didn't get that. I got others.
Ma'am, except the 29th one, I tried the others and I have few doubts in that.
From an external point P, 14.1, from an external point P, tangents PA and PB are drawn to a circle with center O. At one point E on the circle, tangent is drawn, which intersects PA and PB at C and D, respectively. If PA is 14, find the perimeter of triangle PCD. Very good, very easy. It's similar to that of ninth one. Have you solved ninth one?
Yes, Mom.
That's exactly similar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually the screen went blank, so can I log out and log in?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
For me also, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, you can join again. So this is point E, tangent is drawn, which intersect at point C and D. So you have to draw the perimeter of PCD. So how to find out? PA is 14. Nishant, how to solve? Perimeter of PCD is equal to? Have you solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Perimeter is equal to PC plus CD plus PD.
Hmm?
C is equal to AC and ED is equal to BD.
CE is equal to AC and
ED
DE is equal to BD. Okay.
and PC plus AC is equal to PA and PD plus BD is equal to PB. 14 plus 14, 20.
PA is equal to PB. Tangent from C, tangent from B, tangent D, tangent from P. CD is CE plus ED plus PD. What is PC plus CE? CE replaced with CA. ED replaced with BD plus PD. PC plus CA.
PA.
PA plus PB, BD plus PD.
PB.
P
So
and PB are equal.
28%.
Next one.
Ma'am, 27th one.
Ma'am, 28th one too.
27th.
27.
This is 27th.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Only I told you the question is asked with different values. This is 16 and this is 10. That's it.
Yeah, I didn't realize, ma'am.
Ma'am, the 28th one.
28th is the same. Here it is same thing. PL plus LM. PA is equal to PB. You have PA is equal to PB.
Yeah.
PA can be written as PL plus LP. LA is equal to PB is PN plus BN. So PN plus LA. LA is equal to LM. And PN plus BN is equal to MN. Done.
That's all.
Any other?
No, ma'am.
29.
29.
Circle. Very good. This is 30. This is 7. So this is 7. This will be 30. What they have given? Right angle triangle.
Find AF.
AF you have to calculate. Okay. Of the radius. BDC is a tangent to the circle BD 20, 30, 37. Okay. So AF is X. This is X. Okay. You have to know this is 90 degree. So therefore here it is proper diagram it is needed. This is wrong. This is 90 from the center. This is 90. This is 90. A, F, C, B, D, E. Now here in this is O, E, A, F. All are 90. All angles are 90.
Yes, ma'am.
That means it is a right angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here AE and AF are equal.
So all four sides will be equal.
All four sides are equal. This is also R. This is also R, right?
Yeah.
So this is a square actually. So therefore this is R. This is R. This is 7. This is 7. This is 30. This is 30. Now use the area of triangle. So AF we have to calculate. They have given radius.
No, ma'am, we have to calculate the radius.
We can use the Pythagoras theorem also here. AB is 30 plus R. AC is equal to 7 plus R. And BC is equal to 37 centimeter. So use Pythagoras theorem because ABC is a right triangle. So 37 square is equal to 30 plus R whole square plus 7 plus R whole square. 37 square is
1369.
1369 is equal to 30 square 900 plus R square plus 60R plus 49 plus 14R plus R square. So this is equal to 2R square plus 74R plus 949 minus 1369 is equal to 0. 2R square plus 74R minus 0 to 420. So r square plus 37r plus 210 minus 210. 37 za. No, can't work.
Ma'am, we can use quadratic formula.
No, it is right. We can be done with this also. 15 to 7, 15 and 14, no, don't work. Seven to the 14, 14 to the 42 and 5. R square, R plus 42, R minus 5 is equal to 0. So R is equal to minus 42 or R is equal to 5. So R is equal to 5 possible because distance cannot be negative. So AF is equal to R, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Got it? AF also and radius of the circle both are 5. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent you the maths question paper today, ma'am. I had test today, 20 marks test.
Yes. How was it?
Ma'am, it was easy, ma'am. Like in the 13th question, ma'am, like I don't have a doubt, but like it is like in the 13th question I have sent you in the chat box. I have sent you, ma'am.
13 question, no, you have sent me only 13th question, 10 questions are there.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah, fifth question, ma'am. Fifth one.
Yeah, 13 and 80 meter, 84.
Yeah,
13 meter,
ma'am, we
this
have
one
to
is
use
out.
Pythagoras theorem, no,
Yeah,
ma'am. Okay.
yes.
Yeah,
84 square
because
plus
I
13
was
square.
yeah, I was getting like I was getting confused what to use. Then I just did Pythagoras theorem and that's like
Simple. It's very simple question. Class 7.
I did it, ma'am. I got 85 as the answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
14th, after that 14th one, 15th I told you to solve? No, no.
No,
14th
ma'am.
after that 21. So
No,
15th
ma'am.
one. Right now 15th one. Try 15th one. BC is 6, AB is 8. So find AC first. And then,
You were explaining the 13th one, right?
yeah, 13th one, right. So thank you. So much more things. 13th, in a right triangle ABC in which angle B is 90, the circle is drawn with AB as a diameter. Listen very carefully this one. This is the figure. AB is the diameter. This is the center O. From an external point, right triangle ABC, B is 90. Okay, B is here. This is 90. This is A. Circle is drawn. AB as a diameter intersecting the hypotenuse AC at P. So it will intersect at point P. This is C. Then prove that the tangent to the circle at P bisects BC. Tangent at P. This is a tangent at P bisects BC at Q. So Q is a point, we have to show that CQ is equal to BQ. What we have to prove? That is BQ is equal to CQ we have to prove. What we have to do? Listen now everyone carefully. Join BP. What is this angle? BPA is
90.
90 degree.
This is 90. BPC is BPC 90.
90.
This is also 90. Join OP. Then OPQ is
90.
90 degree.
90.
this is also 90, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is X, if we consider. Now what is this angle? If this is X,
That will also be X.
BPA is X.
That'll also be X.
Listen very carefully. BPA is 90. Angle A is X. So angle B will be this part.
90 minus X.
This is 90 minus X. If this is 90 minus X, then how much is this? The full angle is 90. Out of this is 90 minus X. So this will be
X.
PBQ is X, right?
Yes.
Now this is X. Now this is 90 minus X. So this angle will be OBP is 90 minus X. So OPB is equal to
X.
OPB. How X?
Okay.
90 minus X.
90 minus X. OB is equal to OP. Red eye.
Oh yeah.
Mithun, don't see there anything. See in the diagram because this is somewhat confusing. That's the reason I told you I will take tomorrow next class.
I
So-
thought QP is parallel to.
No, they have
BO.
not given. They have not given it. So here OBP triangle, OB is equal to OP. So base angles will be equal. If this angle is 90 minus x, so this is 90 minus x, right? Now what is this angle then? OPQ, full is 90. Out of that, this is 90 minus x. So how much is this?
X.
100x.
X.
Will come x. Now in triangle QBP, angle B is x, angle P is x. So
So
therefore,
QB equals
BQ
QB
equals
equals
QP.
BQ is equal to QP, right?
Yeah.
Now take triangle ABC. Angle A is x, angle B is 90. So how much is C?
90 minus X.
90 minus x. Now, this is x. This part is x. Then how much is this part? Q, B, P, C is 90.
90 minus x.
Out of this is B, P, Q is x. So how much is Q, P, C?
90 minus X.
90 minus x. So this is 90 minus x. This is 90 minus x. That means PQ is equal to CQ.
QC. CQ.
So now
Yes,
PQ
ma'am.
is equal to BQ also and PQ is equal to CQ also. So therefore these two sides are equal. CQ is equal to BQ. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat how CPQ is 90 minus x?
BPC is 90
Yes, ma'am.
because BPA is 90. So BPC is 90 linear pair. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Out of that, this angle is x. BPQ is x. So then how much is QPC is? Yes, Shambhavi?
90 minus x, ma'am. Sorry, I was muted.
This is 90 minus x. And in triangle ABC, if this is x, A is x, B is 90. So how much is C?
90 minus x.
So both are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
I have a small doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in a circle, when you draw a perpendicular and there's a chord, only the sides are equal. If suppose PO is the perpendicular, only OB will
PO.
PO, the center and P.
Huh.
That's the perpendicular. If then OB will be equal to OA, right? And not the angles.
OB is equal to OA.
If
Why
it
OB
is-
is equal to OA?
If it is a perpendicular.
If it is perpendicular on the chord.
Yeah, on the chord.
Perpendicular from the chord bisects the chord. Not
And
the tangent.
Not the angles.
Not the tangents.
Okay, ma'am. That was my doubt. Now I got it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, even if we wouldn't have like shown that QBP, angle QBP and angle QPB are equal, then also can we say that QB is equal to QP? Like
QD.
from one
Where's
point.
QD? QB and QP.
QB,
How?
QB and QP, ma'am. Ma'am, tangents from one point.
Here we know only is they have given CB as this one center.
Ma'am, I feel she's right.
What I'm checking. From Q, this is a tangent. QB is 90 and this one is center. Yeah, this will be the tangent, right? Yes. QB is equal to QP, right?
Okay, ma'am.
But you have to show that is QB is a tangent because they have not given CB as a tangent. They have only given CB is perpendicular. He is 90 degree. So you have to write down that part.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes, that is can be done without doing this. So what we have to do then? But you anyhow you have to prove this X. For that we have to do it. Because there is no any other method to find this as 90 minus x.
Yes, ma'am.
Because this one and this one, we are proving equal? Because if we have to show this is 90 minus x. So this is x we have to show. Then only we can say that is if these two are equal, then these two angles will be equal. But to show this is equal, but this is x, how you prove? That is, for that you have to do this much things.
Yes, ma'am.
Because any other method is not there.
Ma'am, can you just once again repeat how angle C is 90 minus x again?
Angle ABC, angle sum property. Angle B90 is A is x. So see, angle sum property.
Oh,
Okay. So join. So write down. Join OP BP. Let angle BAC is equal to x. Now BAC is equal to x. Angle OPQ is equal to 90. Angle ABC is equal to 90. Angle BPA is equal to 90. Angle in a semicircle. Angle BPC is equal to 90. Linear pair. Triangle BPA. Angle A is x, angle P is 90. Therefore, angle PBA is equal to 90 minus x. Angle QBA is equal to 90. Therefore, angle QBP is equal to 90 minus 90 minus x, that is equal to x. Also, I need to take the diagram down. Otherwise, I can't.
Ma'am, should we write this along with you?
Yes, right. Keep writing. Now you understood, no? So keep writing.
Yes.
Also, OP is equal to OB. Therefore, angle OBP is equal to angle OPB. That is equal to 90 minus x. Therefore, angle QPB is equal to 90 minus 90 minus x, that is x. So therefore angle QBP is equal to angle QPB, that is equal to x from 1 and 2. Therefore BQ is equal to PQ. Sides opposite to equal angles. Then further angle BPC is equal to 90. Also angle BPQ is equal to x. Therefore angle QPC is equal to 90 minus x. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90, angle A is equal to x. Therefore angle C is equal to 90 minus x, angle sum property. Therefore angle QPC is equal to angle QCP, that is equal to 90 minus x. So therefore PQ is equal to CQ. from 3 and 5, BQ is equal to CQ, and therefore PQ bisects BC.
Ma'am, can you give a diagram of the function of this one?
Clear?
Just for 1 second, can you show the diagram? Ma'am, but it'll become too messy in the diagram if we like mention 90 minus x and 90 minus x and all. Is it okay if we don't mention also?
Then how you'll get to know?
Ma'am, like we'll make a rough diagram, but in the real diagram, no need
The
to
exam also you have to show if it comes. This is an exemplar question.
Okay.
And if you go with the internet solutions, those have used another formula, another theorem they have used that you can't use for your exam.
Ma'am, but the diagram is becomes very messy. Is it fine?
Yeah, fine. Keep on finding angle sum property of the triangles. Different triangles, angle sum property. Actually, 2 years back, no, last year only. This I have done easier because of the students. We and students sat for 1.5 hours, I think so. And all of we together found out the solution, which is easier. This is the easiest solution. And that is we have discovered by mutual understanding purpose. So they have taught me something, we have taught everything, we have mixed and then found out this solution. Come to this solution part. Last year only, I think it's near about in September, October itself. Full 1.5 hours we have spent in this to make the solution easier. Everyone knowing the answer solutions, but that was somewhat big tougher solution, much more complicated, Many things has to be formed in that. Many other things has to come into this one. This is the easiest part. After 1.5 hours, we all spent together, one batch, the morning batch. And then we have to come to this conclusion. That is, this is the easiest solution. Clear?
Which year batch, ma'am?
Last year batch. Last year morning batch.
Ma'am,
Okay.
did this question come last year?
No, it didn't come.
Oh,
At the time of revision, we were doing this.
ma'am, but if it would have come, like the students would have been happy.
Yeah. After 13th, 15th one now. 15th is just now 29th we have solved. Now the same way you can go for. There is also right triangle. Right triangle, take a square and then use Pythagoras. Not Pythagoras is also not needed. You already have AB value, 8. This is R, this is 90, this is 90 and they have given this is also 90. AB is 8 and BC is 6. So you will get AC as 10 by Pythagoras theorem. Now this is R, this is R, this is R. Full will AP will be, if BP is R, so what is AP?
8 minus
8 minus R. So if AP is 8 minus R, what is AR?
10
8
minus.
minus
AR.
8
AP
minus
is 8 minus R. 8 minus
Eight.
R. Now CQ will be
2 minus R.
6 minus R. So CR will be
6
6 minus R.
Minus R.
6 minus R. The sum of these two, AR plus RC is equal to 10.
14 minus
So
2R.
8 minus R plus 6 minus R is equal to 10. 14 minus 2R is equal to 10. 4 is equal to 2R. 2 is equal to R. So write all statements properly. Do faster. Completed?
Yes.
16th one. Prove that the tangent drawn at the midpoint of the arc of a circle is parallel to the chord joining the endpoints of the arc. So this is an arc if you consider this to this. AB is an arc. The midpoint of the arc is here, that is point P. If a tangent is drawn at this point, QR is a tangent. This is a midpoint, so AP and PB are equal. Then this tangent will be parallel to the chord joining the endpoints of the arc. Arc endpoints is AB. So we have to show AB and QR are parallel. This is a center O. Join AO, OP and OB. Now this AP is equal to arc PB. They have given. So if the arcs are equal, this obtains equal angle at the center. AOP and BOP are equal. So therefore angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. Equal arcs subtend equal angle at the center. So angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. Now prove this. OMA and OMB triangle congruency. In this one, this angle and this angle is equal. AO is equal to OB and OM is common. So SAS criteria, AOM and BOM are congruent. Therefore, this angle OMA and OMB are equal angles. These two angles are equal. That is considered as x and x. X plus x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180, x is 90. So this will be 90. And we already know this is 90. So this angle and this angle is equal. So these two are corresponding angles. So if the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And solve. Proof by
Ma'am,
yourself.
from the congruency is SAS, ma'am.
SAS congruency between AOM and BOM. SAS, radii, common side, and the angles you have shown equal. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I couldn't listen after the congruency, ma'am. There was some problem here.
OMA and OMB angles are equal. Those form linear pair. So each angle will be 90 degrees.
Yes, ma'am. So corresponding
So,
angles.
and then OMB is 90 as well as OPR is also 90. So these two are corresponding angles. If corresponding
Okay, ma'am.
angles are equal, then the lines are parallel.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Completed? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
17th. From a point P, two tangents P and PB are drawn to the circle with center O. If OP is diameter of the circle. P, A, B with center O. OP is equal to diameter of the circle. Diameter, that means the length of OP is the diameter. OP is equal to diameter of the circle, that is 2r. And what is OA?
Ma'am, radius.
Radius. And this is double radius. OP is double radius. We have to prove PAB is a equilateral triangle that we have to prove. APB is equilateral. So for that now, this is a triangle, OAB triangle. If you consider this angle as theta. So for this theta, which side is OA? Opposite or adjacent?
Opposite.
And OP is?
Adjacent.
Adjacent.
OP is?
Adjacent, ma'am.
See diagram properly.
No, ma'am. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse.
It's hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio will tell you about opposite by hypotenuse?
Sine.
Sine theta.
Opposite by
Sine.
hypotenuse is sine
Sine.
theta.
Sine theta.
So sine theta is equal to what is opposite side? R by
R
2R.
by 2R.
Angle, let angle APO is equal to theta. R by 2R, that is 1 by 2.
By 2.
So what is theta? Theta will be
30, ma'am.
30 degrees. If this is 30, similarly this angle will be
Sine.
same thing because this is
30.
also R, this is also 30. So angle, similarly
30.
angle OPB is also 30. So therefore angle APB is 30 plus 30, 60 degree. So this full is 60. Now we need APB triangle. So we have to join this. Now in triangle APB, AP is equal to PB,
Yes, ma'am.
AP is equal to PB. So therefore
Angle
angles
sum property.
APB, sorry, PA
and
angle
PBA.
PBA are equal. Consider them as X. So angle sum property 60 plus X is equal to 180. 2X is equal to 120. X is equal to 60. So P is also 60. This is also 60. This is also 60. That means angle PAB, triangle PAB will be
Equilateral
triangle APB, all angles 60 degree. Therefore, it is equilateral triangle. Clear? How trigonometry is useful?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And remember this question, very important question.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll up, ma'am? Because
What? Here only we have started.
no, ma'am. 2 hour late.
Let angle APO is equal to theta.
Yes, ma'am.
Mark that question in your textbook. And exactly similar one is 18th. Try. Use trigonometry after completing 17th.
Ma'am, we are supposed to solve the 18th one also, right?
Yes, right now. So similar way. Trigonometry you have to use. So in that this angle is 120. This full angle is 120. OP divides into equal parts. So therefore this is 60. You have to prove that you have to write that AOP and BOP triangle are congruent triangles by SSS. No need to show, directly you can write triangle OAP and triangle OBP congruent by SSS congruency. Therefore angle APO is equal to angle BPO, that is equal to half of 120, 60 degrees. Now this is 60 and they have asked the relation between OP and AP, right? So for 60, relation between OP and AP is which
Cos
ratio?
60. Cos
60.
by 2.
So cos 60 is equal to AP by OP. So it is 1 by 2 is equal to AP by OP and cross multiply.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this one, instead of finding congruency, can we say that OP bisects the angle APB by tangent property? Like,
No, because that is not a theorem.
ma'am, like the result of,
What?
ma'am, result of that theorem perpendicular which we proved.
Yeah, we have proved, but that is not a theorem. It is not considered as a theorem.
Oh,
So if it is theorem, then we can use it, but it is not as a theorem. It is not considered as a theorem. So we have to show.
okay, ma'am.
19th is also easy. You can try. Now 19th and 20th you can try. So write down the homework. 19, 20. Now you can solve those questions. Until 29 I told her to complete yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Some questions, yeah, you
Yeah,
solved.
that I will solve. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. No, 35, 36 not possible. 40, 41. 42. Yeah, that's it. You can solve this.
Should we solve the 30th
Yes.
one? 30th one.
30th, no. 30th I will solve. Because you will bring it tomorrow to me only. That's I know. So I will solve that. It's easy. If you can try it.
Ma'am, the question itself is ununderstandable.
That's what I told. It's an easy question actually. Fine, I will solve that. Right now you solve these 9 questions.
Mom, I got 31.
And you already got. How much you got? What's the answer? What's the answer, Sai Krupa?
30.
30. Yeah, it's right.
Mom, should we like
You're not audible.
Ma'am, are you discussing?
No,
Ma'am,
she has solved what she told. You can leave now.
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow only maths. Don't say it's against science. People will face problem. So tomorrow only maths. For
Ma'am,
1 or 1.5.
Ma'am, carbon and compounds, how much is left more?
1 class. Thursday we'll finish it.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, math class from 8 o'clock, ma'am.
No, 7 tomorrow. Tomorrow is
7
Wednesday,
o'clock.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
So Wednesday, 7 o'clock it will start. And
Okay.
test is on Friday. Friday test of 6.4, 6.5, 6.6 triangles. NCRT.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so Friday is 2 hours or only 1 hour?
Friday 2 hours after science. Test will be after science.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, after test, do we have class?
After test, when? Tomorrow. No,
On
tomorrow
Friday.
no. Friday or normal test will be there, no? 8 o'clock test Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Friday you have a normal class that is from 7 to 8. 8 to 9. In that 8 to 9 time only you have a test.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank